Namaskar. I am happy to announce that the Embassy of India Kathmandu, along with Nepal-Franchise.com, is organizing the third edition of Nepal-India Franchise Investment Expo, Summits and Awards 2022 in Kathmandu. The first edition of this event saw very enthusiastic participation from a large number of Indian and Nepali brands, many of which forged enduring business-to-business partnerships eventually. The second edition, held virtually due to the pandemic, saw registrations from an even greater number of participants and made this event a regular feature in the calendar of India-Nepal Economic Exchanges. India is Nepal's largest trading partner, the largest destination for Nepal's exports, and the largest source of foreign investments. During the pandemic, when most borders around the world remained closed, the India-Nepal trade routes continued to be open and robust. As we attempt to emerge from the economic devastation caused by the pandemic, the way ahead for both our countries would require 1. Strengthening of our business-to-business and people-to-people exchanges, 2. Development of resilient regional supply chains, and 3. Investment in each other's economic success. Hence, the theme for third edition of India-Nepal Franchise Investment Expo is Bounce Back. I would therefore encourage businesses, entrepreneurs and citizens of both our countries to join the biggest bilateral business event of the year. You can participate, exhibit, speak and contribute to this goal of bouncing back and thus play a crucial role in further strengthening India-Nepal economic cooperation. The event's website is now live and I invite you all to access it and register yourself on it. Whether you are a business seeking market opportunities, an entrepreneur seeking funding for your new venture, or a brand willing to showcase its product or seeking a local partner, Franchise Investment Expo 2022 is the place to be. You would be able to meet brands based on your geographical location, business interest and financial needs, and be able to connect with 5,000 plus new clients. A number of activation camps preceding the main expo and summit have been scheduled in various cities across Nepal, including Pokhara, Birganj, Viratnagar, Bhutwal and Jomsum. You are also welcome to participate in the event's main summit in February 22, which would be a high-level platform for exchange of ideas. At the summit, professionals from sectors like tourism and hospitality, engineering, infrastructure and construction, financial technologies, also called fintech, education technologies, also called edtech, e-commerce, healthcare, pharma and wellness, and electric mobility will share insights on how they can grow businesses and bounce back in their respective industries. A number of eminent speakers from both India and Nepal, including government, businesses, think tanks, bankers, investments and entrepreneurs shall be sharing their vision and ideas on bouncing back at the summit. We also have a set of awards to recognize the efforts of business houses that have been actively contributing to the economic development of both the countries. Overall, the event will connect Indian and Nepalese brands and businesses aiming to expand through franchising, distribution, dealerships, licensing or any other kind of partnership with Nepalese investors and also learn the tricks of the trade from industry leaders. I therefore wish you all successful participation in the summit and hope it will unlock the drive in each of us to bounce back. Namaskar and thank you very much.